Hello everyone, and welcome back once again to another interesting video. In today's video we'll discuss difference between data mining and data analysis. So if you are ready, let's start today's video. In today's data-driven world, businesses and organizations rely heavily on data to make informed decisions and gain a competitive edge. Two crucial processes that play a significant role in extracting insights from data are data mining and data analysis. While these terms are often used interchangeably, they represent distinct stages in the data processing journey. In today's video, we will delve into the differences between data mining and data analysis, highlighting their unique characteristics and contributions to the world of data science. Data mining. Data mining is the initial step in the data processing pipeline, where the focus is on uncovering hidden patterns, trends, and associations within large datasets. This process involves using various techniques and algorithms to sift through vast amounts of data to identify valuable information. The primary goal of data mining is to extract meaningful knowledge from raw data. Here are some key aspects of data mining. Pattern discovery. Data mining algorithms are designed to detect patterns or relationships that might not be immediately evident. These patterns can include correlations, clusters, and anomalies within the data. Machine learning. Data mining often involves machine learning algorithms that can automatically adapt and improve their performance over time. It enables the system to make predictions or classifications based on historical data. Large datasets. Data mining is beneficial when dealing with massive datasets that would be impractical to analyze manually. It can identify patterns that might be overlooked through manual analysis. Objective-driven. Data mining is typically driven by specific objectives, such as improving marketing strategies, optimizing business operations, or detecting fraud. The process is exploratory and hypothesis-driven. Pre-processing. Data pre-processing is a crucial step in data mining. It involves cleaning and transforming the data to ensure its quality and compatibility with the chosen mining techniques. Data analysis. Extracting insights and making inferences. Once data mining has identified valuable patterns, the next step is data analysis. Data analysis is the process of examining, cleaning, transforming, and interpreting data to draw meaningful conclusions and insights. It involves the application of statistical and mathematical techniques to extract actionable information from the data. Here are some critical aspects of data analysis. Descriptive statistics. Data analysis begins with descriptive statistics, which provide a summary of the data's main characteristics. It includes measures like mean, median, and standard deviation. Data visualization. Visualizations, such as charts and graphs, are used to represent the data in a way that is easy to understand. It helps analysts identify trends, outliers, and relationships within the data. Hypothesis testing. Data analysis often involves hypothesis testing, where statistical tests are used to determine whether observed patterns or differences are statistically significant. Inference. Data analysts make inferences and draw conclusions based on the data. They may answer questions, make predictions, or provide recommendations based on their findings. Business insights. The ultimate goal of data analysis is to provide actionable insights that can inform decision-making. These insights can help businesses improve processes, make informed choices, and solve problems. Key differences. Focus. Data mining is focused on discovering hidden patterns and relationships within data, while data analysis is focused on interpreting and drawing insights from the data. Timing. Data mining is typically the first step in the data processing pipeline, followed by data analysis. Data analysis depends on the results of data mining. Goal. The goal of data mining is to uncover valuable patterns and knowledge, often without specific questions in mind. Data analysis aims to answer specific questions and provide actionable insights. Techniques. Data mining involves machine learning and pattern recognition techniques. Data analysis employs statistical and mathematical methods. Outputs. Data mining produces patterns, associations, and clusters. Data analysis makes summaries, visualizations, and inferences. Conclusion. In the world of data science, data mining and data analysis are two essential processes that work hand in hand to extract valuable insights from data. Data mining uncovers hidden patterns and knowledge, while data analysis interprets and makes sense of this information. Both processes are crucial for businesses and organizations looking to leverage data to make informed decisions and gain a competitive advantage. Understanding the differences between data mining and data analysis is essential for building effective data-driven strategies and achieving success in today's data-centric world. That's all for this video. Have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos? Please let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell for more content, so you don't miss any upcoming video. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.